In this video, I will be talking about how to use Google AI Studio. So I tried using Google AI Studio for a couple of days and it blew my mind. Let's get started. In order to get access to Google AI Studio, all you have to do is open a new browser and just type Google AI Studio. Hit enter and then you select the first option that you see over here. You might be wondering what Google AI Studio is all about. Google AI Studio is a tool that helps you to create and use AI. It's similar to ChatGPT, just that this one is more advanced. And it has many features that you would certainly love to explore. If you are a developer and you are creating your own chatbot, you can use this option to get an API key. So what you have to do is click on it, get API key, and then you go ahead to do that. But that is not the purpose of today's video. If you are a new user, you get a prompt to sign up, and after signing up, you will see your account details over here. You're supposed to sign up with your email address and a password. Okay, this is the model for Google AI Studio. It's Gemini 2.0 Flash. So these are the versions, the models available. You can check them out at your free time. Now with this option over here, with the token count, it determines the number of prompt or content that you can generate. And the moment that you exhaust your token count, it means that if you want to use Google AI Studio, you would have to pay for it. Now we are going to leave this out. And when you come to tools over here with these tools, it's for developers. So you're not going to touch these tools as well. But there is one thing that you would want to look at with the grounding. With grounding, when you search for something using a prompt here, it's going to give you some search results from Google search. So it's going to look at some of the things on the internet and give you responses with regards to this, and we don't need that. So we are going to check this off, and you are not supposed to touch any of this if you are not a developer. On this portion over here, like I said earlier, if you are a developer, you're going to use this option to get an API key. But if you are a user like myself, you're going to use this option to generate your content. Okay, and then you're going to use this option which says stream real time to do a whole lot of things. We are going to cover that as well. Let's start with the prompt. So over here, I'm just going to tell Google AI Studio to generate a storybook for me. Generate a storybook for kids between the age of 4 to 6 years. Generate a storybook for kids between the age of 4 to 6 years so that I can convert it to video and post it on YouTube. Then we're going to hit run to run. Now it's going to generate some content that you can use similar to ChatGPT, just that it has more advanced features. Okay. Now after it's done generating, you can cross check. Okay, you can directly edit by just clicking on this to edit the content as well. And on these three dots, when you click on these three dots, you have more options to delete the prompt, copy the text, and also copy markdown as well. So anyone that you want, you can just take your time and then look at it, test it out one by one. Now, after you are done with that, this option is used to clear chat. So when you click on this, it gives you the prompt to make you aware that you want to clear chat. So you just click on continue, everything is cleared. When you click on this plus sign, you have a lot of options. Okay, in case you want to issue a prompt, or you want to tell Google AI Studio that I want you to generate a particular file for me, and you have a sample of that file and you want the exact same file, you can issue a copy of the file and you tell Google AI Studio to generate the same thing, but probably you want different things in the file. You're going to use this option. In case you want to upload something from your drive, you can use this option as well. In case you want to learn more about how Google Drive works, I have a video on my channel. I'll put it at the end of this video, so do want to check it out as well. Now, in case you don't want to issue a prompt, but you want to use your voice to record the prompt, you're going to click on this. Then you start recording. Then you can allow. Then you go ahead to, record your new audio. After you are done, you just click on stop recording, and then you can add to prompt and you are good to go. Now, when you click on this plus sign again, there is the camera option and there's a sample media. The sample media works the same. Let's say that you want Google AI Studio to generate something for you. Okay. generate something for you. Let's use this dog. Okay, we're going to use this dog. So you click on it, add to prompt, and you can go ahead and type your prompt. Okay, so you can type something over here. So generate a story for this dog. Generate a story for this dog. Hit enter. And it's going to generate a story based on the image, the sample image that you uploaded. Okay. In case you want to clear, you just use this brush to clear the chat. When you go through, you can see that it has generated a very nice story based on the media file that you generated. This is a powerful tool. This is a powerful tool, and you can use it to do almost anything. You can see that as I'm using it, the token count is increasing, and if it gets to this amount of number, in case I want to use Google AI Studio again, it means I'd have to pay for it. When you click on this plus sign again, you can explore the camera option and the record audio, which we've tried, the upload file, which we're also about to try. So let's say I want a sample file of this. I'm going to go to my downloads and then look for a file that I downloaded recently. Okay, so I'm going to go with this. So now that you have a sample image, you want to tell Google AI Studio to generate the same thing for you. So you're going to input your prompt and then go ahead and say, can you generate a similar image like this for me? Then you hit run. When you do this, it's going to give you the image description. Then you follow that to generate your image. Okay. From create prompts, we are going to go to stream real time. We're going to have a look at this one as well. So from here, I'm going to type that you can use audio and you can select from a video source, but let me type, or I can also use recording to record real time. So I'm going to go ahead and say, now the stream is live. So, hi, I want to learn graphic design. Can you teach me?
Okay, I can help you with that. I can teach you about graphic design, but I won't be able to provide hands-on training since I'm just a language model. We can start with the basics if you like.
Okay, I already know the basics, but I want to know more. I want to dive deep, know the intermediate versions and advanced versions of graphic design. What colors to use to make my work stand out? Can you assist with that?
Sure, I can assist you with that. Let's delve into intermediate and advanced graphic design concepts, including color theory. We can explore how different color combinations can make your work stand out. Shall we start with color theory, specifically color harmonies?
Yes, we can start with that.
Great, let's start with color harmonies. Color harmonies are combinations of colors that are considered visually pleasing. The most common ones are complementary, analogous, triadic, and tetradic. Which one would you like to learn first?
So now, in case you are done with all this, you can go back and replay the audios, the conversations that you have. This is real time, like something that is happening live. You are streaming live to the server. One thing you can also do with the stream real time is that you can share your screen. Okay, so when you click on the screen, you can share your screen in case you are learning something. You can share your screen to help to tell Google AI Studio to assist you with whatever you are doing. You can select a window or an entire screen to just learn. Okay, so that is also one thing that you need to know. Now we are going to go to starter apps. When you click on starter apps, there is this option, spatial understanding and video analyzing. So this is with images, and this has to do with analyzing videos, and this has to do with maps. So now when you click on spatial understanding, use this option to issue your prompt. And this option, it takes the image into a 2D or 3D bounding box and all that. So you're going to say this, for instance, and this is the prompt over here. Then you label each one with whatever you want to do. So you issue whatever you want to do with this image over here, and then you can select the items. When you're done, you click on send, and it's going to generate what you need for you. Okay. Yeah, like it is doing over here. Okay, so that is that for the spatial understanding. Now with the video analyzer, it analyzes videos for you, and before you can analyze a video, you need to upload a video. So you come over here and then you upload a video. You can upload a video as a file, or you can do that through your Google Drive. We're going to go to the last one, which is the map. You can explore places. Then you can say, take me somewhere cold, ancient, green. Let's say green. Take me somewhere green. Okay. And then it's going to give you some places that you can explore and some locations as well. Now that is that for the starter apps. And over here at the library, all the prompts that you've issued will be listed over here. Now when you come to prompt gallery, there are some prompts that you can, explore. And this we have text if AI knows which number is bigger, ask questions about key details in a video, mark worksheet, mark tutor, recipe list, and trip ideas, a whole lot that you can explore at your free time. This option is for developers. So this is all about Google AI Studio. It is more advanced than ChatGPT. So take your time and then explore. Yes. And do want to check the next video, which is all about Google Drive, how to use Google Drive. And I will see you again.